2013 F150 50 V8 had a water leak, suddenly massive, last night as I got home. Just took the water pump out. Let's see if I can do this. There's no more bearings in the water pump. Don't know where they all went, but... So, found the problem. To get to it, take the intake snorkel off. So I got a cold air intake, so it's a little different, but take the intake off, take the throttle body off. Pro tip, loosen the 4 bolts on the water pump pulley first, then disconnect the first belt. And the tensioner's right there. It's a 15mm, I believe. Then once you're there, you take this hose off here, right there. And then this guy back here has a bracket on the top of the water pump right here. Just a little, I don't remember, like 10mm or something like that. So take that hose off, bungee cord it out of your way. Then you can get to the water pump. Take off 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts on that. Just right here, nothing over here. Take those 4 off. And then you might take a pry bar because the O-ring will get stuck in there. But pry it out and reverse the process and you can put it back together. So, not too bad. All in all, took me 30-45 minutes and good to go.